electronic tickets. West Line train to Elgin.
It is April 14, 2010, and I'm making a video riding METRA from downtown Chicago to Roselle. I probably will only make a video out to Bensonville. It'll probably be dark once I get to Bensonville. Battery. At least on the phone, the camera, the battery held out. I gotta give the conductor my ticket, clear that out of the way, and hopefully at least it'll be successful getting all my videos in. Lots of videos to get onto YouTube. All these trons for only $8. I guess that's not too bad, nothing's considering it. And making the videos, it kind of keeps paying for itself.
Right over there. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah, we were because, when we got here,
It's dark in here, it's not going to be out of Union Station yet. Video is worked out. I just hope I don't hope the snow melted or plowed that lot. I don't want to be stuck. That would really fucking suck. Never expected snow like this in April. And the battery is held out. That's certainly very good news thanks to a juice pack.
that's like in the more important Oh, that is. Thank you, Matt.
Sorry you had to press your money.
No worries. I got 8 months left.
I still feel bad. I'll give you 40 bucks.
Just buy me something.
Well, out of the Union store.
I'll buy you like 5 packs.
That would be alright.
What are you doing, man? He's offering 5 packs.
I'm coming home. I'm going back 2 hours earlier than I had planned because of the fucking fucked up weather. But I need to at least get a video in. I want to be in downtown Joliet, but at least I got riding the Tron in.
You wouldn't think that I would like learn not to argue with Matt. So, Matt, you win.
At least we can see CTA Trons, but I think that's on the other side of the Tron. I think the sun might be starting to come out. It won't come out yet, though. Yeah, I think that's for the Union Pacific Trons.
So, Matt, whatever, fine. Oh, Carnival.
Yeah, going over, yeah, that's Kennedy Expressway. It's got all this shit over, we can't really tell. It's a tunnel, though. Those are the railroad tracks for the Union Pacific Trons. They used to be the Chicago Northwestern Trons. And I miss those green and yellow Chicago. I miss those green and yellow Chicago Northwestern Trons.
then I get 40. Well, I did see that one. Went to the pulse. No, it wasn't pulse. What was that? That had that really clearance, but
I wonder if the spy cams got into the video.
was that was pulse? See, the pulse one that was that.
Please take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the location of the emergency exits. Each half of the car is equipped with at least 2 emergency exit windows. Opening instructions are on each window.
They don't have the... the car that don't have the green tinted windows on the front. Now merging into the same line where the Union Pacific trons go. The Union Pacific METRA Trains. Union Pacific West Line trons. Oh God, I won't be going back to the Chicago area until probably and I'm gonna ride the Union Pacific North Line to Kenosha, Wisconsin again. And you always, last year I sat on the west side of the Tron when I made the video. Next, until I'm going to sit on the east side of the Tron. They're dispersed with the Union Pacific trons. It's exciting to make videos while riding the Tron. At least when I get my videos, at least I know I get my money's worth out of the riding the Tron.
Now approaching Western Avenue.
Looks like the snow had stopped, so hopefully I won't be stuck in the snow. Or it's not coming down very much. The snow makes for a pretty Tron ride.
I know from you, but I mean, if you're not like the rank to actually hold some residence, how would I hear it?
At this point, there is no formalities.
Alright. I understand about that. I'm not saying like I don't want
Oh, they got fire on the railroad tracks. I don't know. Fire. Why do they have fire on the railroad tracks? I don't know. Melting the snow and ice, I guess. I don't know. The Tron is now officially operating from Union Pacific trons. Maybe you can make the video beyond Bensonville. Fingers crossed.
I would actually try to use it. I want to fight for that being the case, they don't do this.
Yeah, hopefully that high sun ain't gonna melt it with all that snow, so at least I won't be stuck in it.
He found himself in a glacier and stuff, and like on thought himself was like sheer badass. Oh, is that up right?
Why is the Tron sitting here? It's boring when the Tron sits here.
You probably was cheering, oh, come on, like, turn off your legs. Do all the work.
Just sitting there doing, what are you doing? Finish him off.
You're gonna leave him there? What?
There's always things that gotta take the joy out of riding the Tron. It's still fucking cool to be able to make the video riding the Tron.
It's probably for to be safe, I should probably keep it down.
Yeah, it does look kind of ugly and scummy around here. Here's more fire. Fire on the trons. Fire on the railroad tracks. I don't know why it's making those sounds. Yeah, this is a metro yard. They call it the METRA Trains.
Okay, then I guess we would be safe.
Yeah, lots of trons over here. But the trons are just sitting there, and it's boring when the tron sits there.
I mean, I guess if they
I don't know what all these streets are.
you know, their radar off, I guess, off their radar.
We're kind of fucking cool on the snow is on the trees. Of course, it causing anxiety. I'm not worried about. I get a good feeling I won't be. Oh, here we go again. If you see someone jerking off on the Tron, say something. Or just jerk off looking at them jerking off. Yeah, giving up our rights to keep us safe from the terrorists.
Yeah.
Definitely in Chicago still.
Yeah, that would be dark.
This is the home stretch of riding trons, and I won't go ride trons again not in Chicago anyway. There's other places I want to go, and I want to see different things. Well, it looks nicer around here. It looks like the parking fucking sucks here, though. It might be difficult to find a parking space, and that sucks. They should build more railroad tracks so trons go to more. They should build a railroad track so you can take a METRA Tron to Bolingbrook. It's now operating from the north line of the Fox Valley, or the Fox Lake Metro line, to just the Metro Milwaukee West line. The North Central Trons also go down here, and they only run during the week. That fucking sucks, and that's stupid. They should have more trons. They should run more often.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember that. I remember that. That's a lot of
So
people.
when you think about it, the 400 was very small.
Yeah, the houses here look interesting. And the people live in those houses. Oh, I went over it to them. I got on the video.